Bees have been on Earth and evolving for 120 million years. They're known for pollination and creating honey. Bees are winged insects closely related to wasps and ants. Only female bees can sting, and their stingers are also used to lay eggs. Bees will usually only sting when they feel that there is a threat to their hive. When a bee stings, it cannot remove its stinger without taking out its intestines along with it. One way for the bee to avoid that, however, is to spin in circles after they sting. This behavior is due to the bee trying to unlodge their barbed stinger and circumvent their almost certain death. Bees communicate through a series of dance moves. They'll dance inside the hive to share the location of flower patches, and also give the bees viewing a taste of the nectar. Bees also have a surprising 5 eyes, 2 compound eyes on either side of the head, and 3 smaller ones located in the center of the head. Bees are considered insects, so they have 6 legs. They are also the only insects that make food fit for humans in the form of honey. Bees are known to fly up to 20 miles per hour. There are over 20,000 different species of bees. The queen is capable of laying over 2,000 eggs per day. All worker bees are female, and male bees are called drones. Male bees only make up about 10% of the colony's population and spend most of their days eating honey and waiting for their chance to mate. Bees have a very distinct buzzing sound when flying, and that's because they flap their wings around 230 beats per second. Bees use the sun for navigation, much like we use a compass, which is why they're mainly seen during the day. But there are, however, species of bees that only go out at night. Bees sleep between 5 to 8 hours a day. The average lifespan of a bee is anywhere from 30 to 60 days. When insects and animals pick up pollen and spread it, they allow all types of plants to then reproduce. The most common pollinators on planet Earth are insects, and of all the insects, bees are the most common pollinators. Unfortunately, bee populations have been in decline due to air pollution and the overuse of pesticides and insecticides. Bees are part of our biodiversity, and it's imperative that we protect these valuable insects not only for their survival, but our own. And those are your facts.